Hey there, I'm going to show you how to download Office 365 products on your personal computer. Go to stcloudState.edu, click on My HuskyNet, log in with your star ID and password, and then click on Email. Log in with your email and password. Click on Install Office, then click on Office 365 Apps. Follow the instructions on your screen. The download will require approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Be sure you have good Wi-Fi connection. You can download up to 5 copies of Office 365 products. After the installation, you may be prompted to activate copy of your Office. If so, choose the option Sign into an existing Office subscription and log in with your email and password. Access to download Office 365 products will be shut off 1 week after graduation. And that is how you download Office 365 products on your personal devices. If you have any further questions, contact Husky Tech. Thank you.